Right in front of us we have two fantastic VanTastic vans from Golden Owl Racing. These are their selections going into VanTastic, which will be racing very soon in 2021. On the left hand side we have the Super Van. On the right hand side we have Spaced Out. Let them rip down the track. VanTastic will happen in around about 2 months. Because of the current situation in the world, the mail is very slow and there's not much we can do about it. However, if you do have vans, you've got to send them in quickly. Get onto it. A big thank you to Golden Owl Racing, and by the way, thank you so much for this coaster. It will certainly be used. Until next time, catch you later.